Young Money, Trigger Trey. Let's get it.
What's up, y'all? Okay, so time checks. It is 7:21, and I just woke up. And today we're doing a beach vlog / spend a day with me. So let's get into it. So y'all, I went ahead and got dressed. Or whatever. Now I gotta redo my hair.
Today. Oh my God, what is that?
I couldn't sleep. No shade. I could not sleep at all. I was struggling to go to sleep. Okay, y'all, so I finished my hair. Now I'm doing my edges. So don't do too much on me. Don't do too much on me. Okay, y'all, so I got my scarf on. It is now 7:44, and I just finished, so
Okay. Here we go.
what's up, y'all? What's good? And it's me, Bash, and welcome back to a new video. I haven't posted in maybe a few months, 11 months, almost a year. So this is like a beach vlog. I think I said that already, but yeah, I just got done getting ready, and I'm fixing to wait my grandma to get here, and yeah. Okay, so time check, it is 8:30, and my grandma's supposed to be here at 9, and she's bringing my sister's bathing suit, so my sister can change or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to say time check or whatever. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car, and I think I'm gonna change my necklace, or should I keep this one on? I don't know. Okay, y'all, so I just got in the car with my grandma. She's on the phone with my auntie right now. It is currently 9:20.
So I could get off work
So,
and just not work.
and then we just tell.
Saturday and put vacation time in.
So we're leaving now.
October,
We're
November,
leaving now.
December to not touch
I'm gonna
my
see
vacation
y'all.
time and just
You know, in a little bit. When we get like on the road. Not there, but on the road.
You know that I'm proud of the way your body is. Is that
not too obvious, okay. I like your confidence. Oh, that's what could come is okay. Like Kalani.
Begging me to stay, and then you walk away. There's something that you wanted to say. I was in a rush, then you say you were crushed, and I said I'd be back, it's okay. I wish I heard you tighter than the sound that I saw you. I wish I didn't waste precious time.
So y'all, we reached the gas station, y'all. It's a Buc-ee's gas station, and it's a lot of traffic, like a lot of traffic. So we're fixing to go in the store. It's 9:54. My grandma getting gas, and we're fixing to go in the store and get my little sister a bucket. Oh my God, he trying to take a picture. Y'all, I was all up in that man camera. So she got her bucket. Show them your bucket. You said what? Period. My grandma just got it from the gas station, so she come to the store. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get back in the car. So we just got back in the car. We still got her bucket. Like what? And we got some mints, y'all. They're cotton candy, and these mints is so good, like for real. But yeah.
Please help me, please.
So now
Thanks.
we're
Appreciate
going.
you, dude. Fucking take up all the goddamn room, you fucking idiot. Goddamn driveway. Fuck, we don't have a party.
And then he
Don't
fat,
son of a
so he fat.
These people irritate me.
Time check, y'all. Time check. It's 10:02. And
You know it'll take us
Exchange
an
by
hour to get out of the
Bryson
damn parking lot.
Tiller is playing. Anyway, so I'm gonna see y'all later up there. I'm gonna get a little down. I'm on the road. This is gonna be a latte and no shade.
I wish I remembered to say I'd do anything for you. Maybe I pushed you away because I thought that I'd bore you. Listen, so close but we were so distant. Wish I'd have known in that instant. Ignored the hints or I missed it. I killed it. You'd always be in attendance. No flights but always attendant. Handwritten letter, you pinned it. we wish never ended. Those rules that we wish we bended. Heartbreak that we never mended. Those messages we unsended. Best friends we somehow unfriended. Ain't care about who we offended. Parties they wish we attended. Got drunk and laughed, it was splendid. I wish I heard you tighter than the sound that I saw you. I wish I didn't waste precious time the night when I called you. I wish I remembered to say I'd do anything for you. Maybe I wish.
So we're still in the car. We left the place like 12 minutes ago. 11, something like that. So it's been that long. And we're giving Q. She got her bucket. We're giving Q. And time check. It is 10:18. So it's 10:18 and the my Kalani plan. So I'm gonna listen to my music and yeah. Okay, y'all. So we're in Florida. Period. Still. So we're in Florida. We got in Florida like a few minutes ago. And yeah. This is the color. Where is the color? But time check is 10:35. And
Starlight, starbright, first star, see the night. Wish I may have the wish I wish tonight. Starlight, starbright, first star, see the night. Wish I may have the wish I wish tonight. Bums away, bums away, bums away, bums away.
okay, y'all. So we just got over the water and now we're getting closer and closer to that beach, y'all. Like this. The beach better be fish. It better be fish on my phone. I better be gagging. Okay, y'all, so time check. We just got to the beach and it is 11:01. 11:01. We just got to the beach. And the water it's giving cute or whatever. We're at the beach, y'all. Okay, period. So y'all, I'm gonna get a 10 today. Take my AirPods out.
I'm gonna get my sand. I'm gonna get my sand.
Just there. Are you trying to be burnt black? You already got enough 10. So y'all, we at the beach.
Guess what? You're a bitch.
It's 11:02. We got all of our stuff. We got all of our stuff. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so we got in a car like over an hour ago and we started driving, and because the storm, it was like storming. Well, I mean, it wasn't storming, but it was thundering and there was lightning and stuff. So now we're in Destin, Florida, and we're currently going to find something to eat. Giselle, you ready to eat fish? So Giselle was hungry and my stomach started hurting. So I spoke up and I was like, I'm hungry. Like, what's we finna eat? This and that. And
You should go to the crab shack.
then we drove and we found prettier waters, prettier sand, and it looked good, and there's not a lot of clouds over there. So we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna come back and have our beach day. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to wherever we're gonna eat at, because we don't really know. Also, I'm gonna do a time check real fast. It's 1 o'clock.
But
My phone is on a charger. So time check is 1 o'clock. Period. Okay, so y'all, we made it to the restaurant. And the restaurant is called the Back Porch. In Destin, Florida. If y'all want to go eat at the restaurant or whatever, y'all can, period. But yeah, I had to go back to the car and get my stuff.
what name did you put it under?
Tracy. Yeah. Because why would I not put it under Tracy?
Why would you not put it under Smith?
Because that's not who's paying for the food. Okay, y'all. So we switched restaurants, and this one's on the water. And the food kind of looked good or whatever. It looked decent. It's in the water, y'all. It's pretty good. And there's people out in jet skis. Yeah. It's real cute, real cute.
Yeah. See the fish down there? Man, oh man. Why? Look at all
But
the
yep,
pelicans
y'all.
over there. See the pelicans?
Well,
That big bird over there on the.
oh.
Yeah.
So y'all, we're finna order our food. And I've had my scarf on all day because I don't know how my edge is gonna look when I take this scarf off. So I just kept it on. Yeah.
I guess they'll bring us menus. I don't know.
That barbecue sauce, I think.
No, it's probably cocktail sauce.
Period.
She needs mustard.
I know. You see fishes down there?
So I'm gonna see y'all when we get our menus. I'm gonna tell y'all when we order. Okay, y'all. So apparently we don't get menus here. We gotta go order from the inside of the place. So we're fixing to go order our food. And I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna get. So y'all, this was really me thinking about my food before it was even cooked and before I even ordered. I was really thinking about my food while my grandma was talking to these people, for real.
Do you know what you want?
Okay, so I got grilled shrimp and it's on the little skewer things. I don't know how you say it. I think I said it right. And then I got fries.
Cocktail shrimp, okay?
It's not. Sorry. Anyways, I got grilled shrimp,
Grab your drink.
and then I got fries and hush puppies, but I don't eat hush puppies, so my grandma probably gonna eat them. But yeah. Yes. So time check, y'all. It is 2:19. We just ordered our food. Oh, that's a big old boat. We just ordered our food, and our food gonna be out probably like 15-20 minutes, something like that. Nothing real extravagant. And then you got these people riding jet skis on the water. But yeah. So
I saw a big.
So yeah. So yeah, y'all.
Huh? Do you need a drink?
Come back to y'all when I get my food.
That's
And
a
then
ginormous
after
bowl.
we leave here, we're going to be
Why?
going over
Why
there
is it a ginormous bowl?
to the beach because it's cleared up over there, y'all, and it's not raining.
And if they say something about my drink, I'm gonna.
So y'all, this the food, and we got the lemons.
I love lemons.
No?
I love lemons.
Got mustard.
Did you not hear what she said?
No,
I
grandma.
love lemons. Lord, Mom.
We don't have lemon.
Sebastian just gave her one.
No, I didn't. Y'all don't mind them, y'all.
Here, have some napkins.
But yeah, y'all. And finna eat the food. Let's do a taste test.
Anybody
Get it
else?
open.
So I'm finna try the fries.
No, I brought you one mustard.
So at this point, my grandma kept like putting her hand in the camera. I don't think she was doing it purposely, but like she kept doing it, and it just like was happening. So I was
They're
like
good.
trying to move the
They
camera
don't got a
out
lot
the
of salt
way
on them.
I can't open it.
and like eat my food and tell y'all
So now
how
we're gonna try
my
our
food
shrimp.
was and all of that. But yeah,
And some salt.
I think right here. Oh no, I think right here I had
Oh, it's hot,
moved
y'all.
it to where you can't see her hand no more, so she don't put it in the camera. So yeah.
That sauce is good.
Oh no, there her hand go again.
The shrimp are alright.
Are they?
No shade, the food was good. I was really messing that stuff up. But yeah, I had to speed it up cuz like y'all can't see me eating like I mean y'all see me eating but like I was talking too much.
Yeah, I told your mom I'd rent
So-
pontoons and we'd come out here. She didn't want to do that. I don't want to say that.
So, time check is 2:39, and lunch was good. It was like a 8 out of 10, maybe a 7.5 out of 10. The fries was decent. They was a little dry. The shrimp was good. I mean, look. All gone. No food left. I mean, fries is left, but you know what I mean. And we're just waiting for my nanny to finish her food. And we're gonna go back to the,
You ready to go to the beach?
gonna go to the beach because it's cleared up and we could probably have our beach day. So I'll see y'all when we get in the car. So we're back in the car and we're on the way to the beach. It's called the Golf something.
Navarre.
Golf Navarre.
Not Golf Navarre.
She gagged for real.
What's the call?
Navarre.
Navarre?
Navarre.
Navarre. Navarre.
Navarre.
Navarre. That sounds fancy. Navarre.
It is fancy.
Navarre.
Okay, now take a picture of that. There you go. See?
So y'all, this is Sand Island. This is where all the boats are. It looked like a bunch of trash. It kind of looked dirty.
The water's not very pretty today.
It's not the prettiest, but it's something, you know. It's a something. Yeah. And it's waist deep water.
But it's not a lake.
I said waist deep water.
Yeah, it is waist deep.
So they're standing up, they got jet skis, they're parasailing over there. If y'all want a cute little vacation, y'all come to Florida. before Panama City, Destin, Orange Beach, no. Panama City, Destin.
Seaside.
You said what?
Seaside.
Seaside. And the Navarre. But anyways, we're going to Navarre. And I'm going to see y'all when I get there. Because I'm going to listen to my music. And
Not unless you want to go explore.
time check is
You
2:49.
go down here to Fort Walton.
No, I want to go to the
Okay, y'all, so we just got to the beach after a 7-hour drive. Let me stop playing. It wasn't 7 hours, y'all. It was about 45 minutes.
Okay, well, I think we're good here for a while. I don't think it will.
So, yeah.
Hello. And my cute baby suit.
So, yeah, y'all, we got to the beach. Okay, y'all, so we're
Oh, we have the cliff here.
we're here.
We better go
And the sand pretty. The sand real pretty.
They're fishing.
Sand real pretty. Ooh, I don't want to get caught up. Baby, this not the crab, baby. This is the real human. So the sand is like crunchy because it was raining earlier. But now it look okay. No shade. But today has been a really long day. And it's been a really good day.
I don't know.
Today was fun.
I need to
And we're ending it at the beach.
everyone knows.
And the sand is cute. The sand is pretty. And it's cloudy. And it looks cute. Like, no shade. It looks really cute. Like I'm really gagging. Like, I'm really gagging. For real. I'm really gagging. But, like, no shade. It's really giving cute. It's really giving.
They're all the way back.
Okay, y'all. So, me and Giselle at the beach. Giselle.
No.
And this water, it's alright. I like the sand. Like, I love how the sand looks. The sand is so pretty. Like the sand is really pretty. But we're at the beach, y'all. There's a Ruffles bag. Clean the earth, y'all. Clean the earth. But it's a Ruffles bag in the water. The water here, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Time check. It is 4:04. And oh Lord, just dropped my phone in the sand. It's alright.
You didn't call Alicia and show her you were at the beach?
Alicia probably asleep.
Oh my god.
She be acting like she an old woman. You think I should call her? So y'all, we at the beach for real this time, and not for fake. Cause the last time we went there for long. Oh, it's lagging.
You don't need anything.
Okay, y'all, so I was after I recorded. Okay, y'all, so I was in the water.
These were videos from my
And I got
phone
stung by a
that I
jellyfish.
recorded after I got stung
And
by the jellyfish.
I was like a little
'cause
ways out.
This shit hurt.
I'm not real deep, but it was like to my waist. And I was riding the waves. And then next thing you know, boom, just stung both my legs. I come running up here. Like, it was just like, it felt like it was shaking. Like, blood was just like shaking, like the electrocuted me. And I'm over here scratching like everywhere. And I wish I had like 7 arms so I could scratch every inch of leg on my body. And I'm just scratching. And Nanny was like, no, there ain't no jellyfish in the water. It took her a few minutes and she found one. And she was like, oh yeah, it was a jellyfish. And talking about seaweed. Seaweed don't do that. Not like this. I ain't never got stung by seaweed. She said seaweed sting. But yeah, so we finna go find the jellyfish. So we can taste it.
You got something to put it in?
No. So y'all, yeah, this been a good little day, y'all. The sun coming out. Time check. It's 4:46. And yeah, I took my pictures for Instagram. And yeah,
It was
cute little day.
4:47. The time had changed. I don't know why I said 4:47.
Okay, y'all, so she done got me back in the water and we're looking for the jellyfish and we found it. But I took pictures of it. And I'm gonna show y'all the pictures. The pictures I'm gonna put them up there. So yeah, that was the jellyfish.
Oh, bitch, if I could fight sea creatures, I would've
That
fucked that
crab
jellyfish
howling.
the fuck up. Cause ain't no way, bitch, you stung me for no reason. Bitch, I was swimming in the water.
Okay, time check is 5:24. And soon I think we're getting ready to leave. So that means the vlog will be over with. Or should I end it when I get home? Nah, I think I'm gonna end it when I get back to car. Or I think no. Well, it was kind of a spin a day with me / beach day. So I guess I can end it when I get home. But I'm not gonna be doing nothing in the car for real. But listen to my music. And then this video is gonna be out. Okay, y'all, so we're packing up our stuff and getting ready to leave. That was a fun little day. So how y'all had fun?
Yeah, that was bad. Even though I got stung by a jellyfish. It was still fun. Had a good little day, y'all. Had a good little day. So, putting my shoes back on. So, I hope y'all had a good time watching. And hope y'all had a good time watching and all of that. It was a great time at the beach, for real. I had fun. The food was good. So yeah. And now we're finna go home. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get in the car. So y'all, we're back in the car. Back in the car. Cream place. I think we're finna get ice cream.
We all gonna get ice cream. I told you we want ice cream.
So we're fixing to go in, y'all, and see what's tea with the ice cream, please. Ice cream place. And see what's good with it. Okay, y'all, so I got a brown butter truffle. And they got chunks in it. And it's good.
That's what I mean. It's nasty.
So y'all, I just finished it. And this is what's left. And Giselle's still eating hers, and Nanny's still eating hers. Oh. Okay. But yeah.
That's what you don't
See y'all when we get back in the car. So I was supposed to say we're back in the car now and this and that, but I didn't because I was busy being cute and I was sidetracked. I wasn't talking, but we was in the car for about 30 minutes and we're on our way back home. Period. Like fish.
I know that this is love every touch, boy. You got my heart. And can't nobody make me feel like you do, boy, like you do. We can go
So, yeah, I'm listening to my music. Let me take that back before they steal that. Picture me up and in the vault, just steal that. Let me feel that. Picture me telling, just get you out or feel that. Picture me not telling my. So y'all might be wondering why I got this damn robe on in this cover. It was so cold when we came in the house, but me and Giselle just got home like a few minutes ago. She's taking her bath, and this is why I'm in the vlog. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, I really can't believe I got stung by a big ass jellyfish. Really can't. It gave ER. That's what it gave. No shade, no shade, no shade. But yeah. This video finna be tea, no shade on my soul. Like, it's finna be tea. My first real YouTube video, no shade. Yeah, like fish. I'm gagging. But yeah, I had a good little day. It was cute. It was fun.
Now I'm finna listen to music and I'm finna edit on myself.